Hi everyone, in this video session I would like to discuss the topic of computer instructions. In this part I would like to discuss the introduction part and the different types of computer instructions, which are of three types. And let us go to the introduction part. What is the computer instruction? Computer instructions are a set of machine language instructions which are in the form of binary code that a particular processor understands and executes. Here the computer instructions which are of the binary code which will be understood by the processor. Here this processor consists of a control unit. This control unit converts this binary code to the machine understandable language where the program will be executed, and a computer performs tasks on the basis of the instruction provided. The instructions which you will provide to the computer will perform the task based on the computer instructions only. And I already discussed the three different parts of computer instructions, which is the address field and the opcode, which is the operation mode code, and the mode bit, which is the I bit value, which shows that the either addressing mode is an direct mode or an indirect mode. If you didn't understand about this mode, watch my previous video where I explained it very clearly. Coming to the operation code field, it is a field which specifies the operations to be performed. Here this opcode specifies which operations to be performed, that is an addition operation or subtraction or any arithmetic, logical or shift micro operations. Coming to the address field, it contains the location of the operand, that is register or memory locations. Here the register and memory locations data will be stored in this address field, and this address field is specified to the memory where this whole address is saved. Coming to the mode, I already said that mode is of two types, direct addressing mode and indirect addressing mode. When this mode value is 0, it is direct, and indirect addressing mode, when the value is 1, it comes under indirect addressing mode. Coming to the computer instructions, which are of three types: memory reference instruction, register reference instruction, and input output instruction. Let us discuss about memory reference instructions. What is a memory reference instructions? It is of 12 bits of memory, is used to specify an address, and 1 bit to specify the addressing mode. Here this specifies the addressing mode, and here it specifies the opcode, and here it specifies the address field. Okay, here there is a tabular value for memory reference instructions. Here the instructions are represented in the hexadecimal code. When the I bit value is 0, these instructions will be executed, and when the I bit value is 1, these instructions will be executed. But these two instructions are same, but it is depending upon I bit value. When the I bit value is 0 and the opcode is also 0, it performs AND operation. Similarly, for the remaining operations, add for 1 and load to AC, that is when the value is 2. When the 3 value is 3, stores AC content into the memory, and when the value is 4, branch unconditionality. When the value is 5, it specifies that branch and save return address. When the value is 6, it specifies the increment and skip if 0. I want to tell something about this hexadecimal code. When this value is 0, I bit value is 0 and opcode is 0 0 0. Here this is when I bit value is 0. When I bit value is 1, here this column values will be same here and here, but this column values all will be 1 coming to this column, and here these values will be 0. Here 0 0 1 0 1 0. Similarly remaining will be filled. Here 1 specifies that its total value is 8. Here when the value is incremented by 1, its value becomes 9. So here you can see that its value is represented, so its value is 9. When the value is 10, it is represented as A in hexadecimal code up to 16 numbers. Next, coming to the register reference instructions. The register reference instructions are represented by the opcode value. Here the opcode value will be same till the operation, and with an addressing mode value 0 in the leftmost bit, that is 15th bit of the instruction. Here in this table I show that 15th bit value is 0 and the opcode values are 1 1 1, and here the register operation will be specified. Okay, what is this 4-bit values? Its value is 7. Here these 12 bits are again subdivided into 3 parts. Okay, I will explain with the table value. Here it is divided into 4 parts, 1 2 and 3 4. Here what is this value? Its value is 7. And what is this value? Its value is 8, and its value is 0, and its value is 0. So 7800 means what? It is nothing but clear AC. So the clear AC operation will be done inside your computer when the address opcode value is 111 and the addressing mode is 0, and the address location, that is 800. In this location the clear accumulator is located. When the value is 0 1 0 0, that is 4 7400, that means clear E. Similarly, you can understand these whole values by using this hexadecimal table. Here it is of hexadecimal code, so here 16 bits of numbers will be taken. So this value will be remain constant, but these values will be remain changed. That is first bit will 1, next this bit will become 1, next this will become 1, and next this will become 1. Next this column will become zeros and this column will become zeros. Here the values will be changed. So here there are of 16 instructions, I think so. 4 4 4, no, there are of 12 instructions in this register reference instructions. You may understand it very clearly here by understanding this pin table values. You can understand them very clearly. Coming to the input output instructions, an input output instruction does not need any reference to memory, and it recognized by the opcode 111 and with addressing field bit as 1 in the leftmost bit of the instruction. Here the addressing mode value is 1 and the opcode value is 111. Here it always remains constant, it doesn't change, and the input output instructions will be specified like this. When here 1 1 1, which is of here this value is 8 plus, and its value is 2 to the power of 2, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1 4 6 7, it is F means 15, and here 800. Here again it is divided into 3 parts. First 800 means 1 0 0 0. So here when the input value is F800, it is input character to AC. Similarly output character when the bit value is 0 1 0 0, and here the value is 0 0 1 0, and skip if 0 means 0 0 0 1. Here this value first 4 here in this address location, the first 4 bits will be changed and remaining bits will be constant for this first 4. And coming to the next one, here the values of first 4 bits will be zeros, and the next 4 will be 1 0 0, and next 4 will be zeros. I think so you understood. F means 15, that is these whole bits. And coming to the F040, here this bit will become 0100. I think so you understood about input output instructions, which will used for transferring the data into the computer and coming the data from the computer to the user. Now, if you want to give any instruction into the computer, we use INP and the hexadecimal code is F800. Here you can give the input to the computer, and when the value is F400, you will get the output from the accumulator, and the user can access the output. Here this input and output will be organized by using these flag bits. I think so you understood it very clearly. If you have any doubts, comment below and share to your friends. Thank you everyone for watching this video.